Welcome to the ultimate showdown between the iPhone 17 Pro and the Sony Xperia 1 VI. Today, we're diving deep into their displays, platforms, cameras, batteries, build quality, and unique features. Can the iPhone 17 Pro's stunning LTPO Super Retina XDR OLED with Dolby Vision outshine the Xperia's 240Hz touch scanning rate and 1 billion colors? Will Apple's A19 Pro chipset deliver more power than Sony's Snapdragon 8 Elite? And when it comes to photography, does the iPhone Sensor Shift OIS and LiDAR scanner beat Sony's Zeiss optics and real-time eye autofocus? Plus, which phone offers better battery life and durability? Stick around, because by the end, you'll have to decide. Is the iPhone 17 Pro's polished ecosystem worth the premium, or does the Xperia 1 VI's pro-grade camera and audio experience take the crown? Let's get into it. The iPhone 17 Pro boasts a 6.3-inch LTPO Super Retina XDR OLED display with HDR10 and Dolby Vision, reaching up to 3000 nits peak brightness, perfect for vibrant, true-to-life visuals even in bright sunlight. Meanwhile, the Xperia 1 VI offers a slightly larger 6.5-inch LTPO OLED with a remarkable 240Hz touch scanning rate tailored for gamers. The iPhone's display edges out here due to its superior peak brightness and Dolby Vision support, making it a multimedia powerhouse. Under the hood, the iPhone 17 Pro runs on the Apple A19 Pro chipset built on an efficient 3nm process, featuring a hexa-core CPU optimized for balanced performance and power saving. Sony's Xperia 1 VI counters with the Snapdragon 8 Elite, an octa-core powerhouse also at 3nm, but with a more complex core setup aimed at multitasking. The A19 Pro's combination of efficiency and neural engine integration gives the iPhone a slight edge in real-world smoothness and AI tasks. Photography is fierce here. The iPhone 17 Pro's triple 48MP setup includes a wide f1.6 lens with Sensor Shift OIS and a LiDAR scanner for depth precision, enabling incredible low-light shots and augmented reality experiences. Sony's Xperia 1 VI features Zeiss optics with a versatile zoom range and real-time eye autofocus, ideal for professional-style shooting. However, the iPhone's advanced stabilization and ProRes video capabilities push it ahead for creators seeking both photo and video excellence. The iPhone 17 Pro impresses with its dual-pixel PDAF, periscope telephoto with 8x optical zoom, TOF 3D LiDAR, and ProRes RAW support, empowering photographers with creative flexibility and precision. Sony's Xperia 1 VI counters with Zeiss T Baxcoat. Battery life is key. The Xperia 1 VI packs a larger 5000 mAh compared to the iPhone 17 Pro's 4252 mAh. This difference means Sony's device is likely to last longer under heavy use, appealing to power users and gamers who prioritize endurance over compact design. In terms of build, the iPhone 17 Pro features ceramic shield front and back with an aluminum alloy frame, delivering exceptional toughness and premium feel. The Xperia 1 VI uses Gorilla Glass Victus 2 on the front and Gorilla Glass Victus on the back with an aluminum frame, offering solid protection but slightly less resilience than Apple's ceramic materials. Both phones offer water and dust resistance, but the iPhone 17 Pro boasts IP68 certification, allowing immersion up to 6 meters for 30 minutes, outperforming the Xperia's IP65 IP68 rating, which limits immersion to 1.5 meters. Plus, Apple Pay's wide certification adds convenience to the iPhone's feature set. Sony's Xperia 1 VI shines with native alpha camera support, high-resolution 24-bit audio, and a physical shutter button for photographers. The iPhone 17 Pro counters with ultra-wideband Gen 2 chip, emergency SOS via satellite, spatial 3D video audio, and a customizable action button, making it a versatile device beyond just photography. Both devices offer up to 512GB storage with 12GB RAM, but the iPhone 17 Pro pushes further with a 1TB option, catering to users who demand massive space for apps, media, and professional files. Price-wise, the iPhone 17 Pro starts at $1,099, while the Sony Xperia 1 VI comes in higher at $1,300, reflecting its niche appeal to photography enthusiasts and audiophiles.